This is by way of an audio test on OBS, just to bring myself up to speed. I've yet to seriously address this bullshit. Locked out of Facebook now and Twitter. I was getting my I was trying to get my WordPress in order, but it is a bit of a mess. I've bought 2 domains, and I'm just trying to get them up and running, like my blog. If you remember properly, my blog. My blog feed, my blog pages were in some sort of order, different configuration there, but there they are. I've transferred them all to my WordPress blog, but yet to get them in order and open them up, because a lot of these are still blocked. Well, all of them are. For example, autobiography memoirs. If you view the blog, blocked. I started those cunts 2013. But yes, so WordPress is trying to be brought up to some sort of blog standard, and condense them all into my 2 domains. Everything that's been blocked on Twitter and Facebook is going on my domain. Yeah. But I have to sort out my the 2 domains I bought to get them up and running and publicised. Get the links on the pages, because seems like I'm being read quite closely by a lot of scum, as well as a lot of normal people. What am I doing? There's only one of these that's not, I think it's blocked. It's just 99 to 2014 one. That's blog is up and running. They were just for me testing out my YouTube channel, so that's what those videos are for. This is what I get when I press my when I Google search my name. See, blocked. But it is open on cached. That's what that's coming up as on my pages. I've got some recent stuff on there as well. All my YouTube stuff's going up there, good. That's good. Is it my what? No, it's a blog post. It's probably blocked. Oh no, it's my WordPress. Fair enough. Anyway, I'm on both mic and headset mic here, so I'll stop this now. Go back to OBS and see what's this like.